Want to know whether your NVMe SSD is still healthy? CrystalDiskInfo can give you a quick look at its health status, temperature, usage, and S.M.A.R.T information. In this guide, I'll show you exactly what to check and how to understand the most important numbers without getting overwhelmed. First, open CrystalDiskInfo on your Windows PC. If you have several storage drives, use the drive selector near the top of the window and choose your NVMe SSD. Make sure the model and capacity match the drive you want to inspect. Start with health status. CrystalDiskInfo normally shows good, caution, bad, or unknown. If your NVMe drive shows good, the reported health indicators are currently within the software's normal range. If you see caution or bad, take it seriously and back up important files before troubleshooting further. Next, look at the temperature. NVMe SSDs can become quite warm during heavy transfers, so temperature is useful for spotting potential thermal issues. Don't judge the drive from one temperature reading alone. Instead, watch how the temperature behaves during normal and heavy use. Now check the basic drive information. Look for the interface, transfer mode, firmware, serial information, and total capacity. These details help confirm that CrystalDiskInfo is identifying the correct NVMe SSD and can also be useful when troubleshooting or contacting the manufacturer. Below the main summary, you'll find S.M.A.R.T attributes. These are the underlying health indicators reported by the drive. Depending on your SSD, you may see values related to critical warnings, available spare capacity, percentage used, data units read or written, and temperature. The exact attributes can vary by manufacturer and model. For NVMe drives that report it, pay attention to percentage used. This is an estimate of the drive's consumed endurance, not a direct measurement of how much storage space is available. A higher percentage means more of the rated endurance has been used, so keep an eye on the trend over time. Finally, don't rely on a single snapshot. Record the health information occasionally and compare it over time. If health status changes, temperature becomes unusually high, or important S.M.A.R.T. Values change unexpectedly. Investigate and make sure your important data is backed up. And that's how to check an NVMe SSD with CrystalDiskInfo. Focus on health status, temperature, S.M.A.R.T. Data and changes over time. That's usually enough to get a clear picture of your drive's condition.